Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech Tips. Today I'll discuss of hackers hierarchy. So let's start. Disclaimer. Your usage of this video constitutes your agreement to the following terms. Tech Tips is a site related to computer security and not to promotes hacking, cracking, software piracy. The articles, tutorial and demo provided on Tech Discussion is for informational and educational purpose only, and for those who are willing and curious to know and learn about device, security, computer tips. Anytime the word hacking that is used on this site shall be regarded as hack safety tips. Do not attempt to violate the law with anything contained here. If you plan to use the content for a legal purpose, then please leave this video immediately. We will not be responsible for your any illegal actions. Script kiddies, these are the wannabe hackers. They are looked down upon in the hacker community because they are the people that make hackers look bad. Script kiddies usually have no hacking skills and use the tools developed by other hackers without any knowledge of what's happening behind the scenes. Neophyte, these are the N00B or newbie, or also called green hat hacker. They someone who is new to hacking or phreaking and has almost no knowledge or experience of the workings of technology and hacking. Intermediate hackers, these people usually know about computers, networks, and have enough programming knowledge to understand relatively what a script might do. But like the script kiddies, they use pre-developed well-known exploits, a piece of code that takes advantage of a bug or vulnerability in a piece of software that allows you to take control of a computer system, to carry out attacks. Elite hackers, these are the skilled hackers. They are the ones that write the many hacker tools and exploits out there. They can break into systems and hide their tracks or make it look like someone else did it. You should strive to eventually reach this level. That's for today. I hope you have lesson learned about to of reveal being a hacker. So leave a like and subscribe for more videos upcoming informative tech discussion. Thanks for watching. I'll catch up next time. Beast. Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech Tips. Today I'll reveal being a hacker. Disclaimer. Your usage of this video constitutes your agreement to the following terms.